Believe it or not, after a mere 30 years in Congress, Barney Frank has decided that he's going to retire. He's thrown in the towel, and Brian Sack is now on the scene. Brian.
Hi, Glenn.
Hi.
I'm here at a spontaneous retirement party that sprang up shortly after Congressman Frank announced he would no longer seek what would have been his 17th term in office.
So the party, I assume that people are happy that he's retiring, or is it a celebration of his service, or what is it?
Well,
exactly,
the party is being co-sponsored by the Heritage Foundation and National Review.
Right. It does look pretty festive.
Well, it should.
There.
In honor of Frank's dedication to spending, each of these balloons cost $1,500.
Yeah. Brian, it looks like there's a typo in the banner behind you.
No, I'm pretty sure that's what he requested. He personally dictated it to us.
So do you know why Barney Frank decided to retire?
Well, it looked like his district was being reorganized, gerrymandered, some might call it, and not in his favor. He sensed that there was a chance he might lose in the next election.
Okay. You're sure it's not the 33 parking tickets that he fixed for the gay prostitute?
No,
or?
Glenn, that went over pretty well. It certainly didn't bother me. Of course, it saved me thousands of dollars.